2 uverse number 1 wakhona number 2 lithi makeup eyifeba kuyona yamaKristu. Go and read that Bible. Hosea chapter 2 lithi tell your mother to remove the makeup on his face of a prostitute and the dress that is uncovering the breast. Lithi into eyifebe leyo ukuthi umuntu wesifazana agqoke ingubo eveza amabele nokuthi afake imakeup ebusweni kuthiwa into eyifebe. uJeremiah 31 verse number 5 wakhona uthi ile lento abayigcobe ezandleni i-cutex eyifebe. iBhayibheli lisho njalo. So that is why singayidiscuss into eseBhayibhelini nomuntu oyibiza ngomKristu ayenze iBhayibheli iphikise. Loyo muntu siyamnyeka mayefuna ukuyenza ngenkani. Okunye mayofunda incwadi yema 1 Corinthians chapter 11 1 Corinthians chapter 11 ikhuluma ngomuntu esifazana ukuthi maye enkonzweni akamboze ekhanda. We don't negotiate lezi zinto because we are not political party. We take it as it is. Umlungu, India, umuntu omnyama, ikhalati, as long sikhuluma ngomuntu esifazana. She must put something on the head. Uma yothandaza. Ngoba it's biblical. And then the last verse yalapho number verse 16 uthi if ever umuntu efuna ukuphikisana nathi thina we don't argue. If yena efuna ukwenza ngenkani akaqhubeka kwenze ngenkani. Sinaleyo mthetho omiswa izwi likaNkulunkulu. Inwele lezi abayixhumayo lezi abayifaka ama extensions nenwele zama Brazil hair abayifaka abazalwane. Ngokuya ngokweBhayibheli 1 Timothy chapter 2 lithi angahlobi ngeinwele zalo kumuntu esifazana. Elesilungu ke ngiyalithanda livana lisho kahle ukuthi braided hair. With braided hair. Because uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi enza amandiya wayazi amandiya mangaka. uNkulunkulu namhlanje uyawazi amandiya afile namandiya azelwe namandiya